Hello there, and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online English language classes we offer. In our classes last week, we were talking about cars and trains and planes. And in one group, one of my students told me this crazy story about how once she had been driving along and a cyclist had come crashing into the side of her car, deliberately, as it turns out. His bike was a little bit smashed up and she had a dent in the side of her car. They called the police, and when the police arrived to take a report and to try and sort out the problem, the cyclist tried to blame the whole thing on my student. It turns out that basically he was hoping that way he might be awarded some kind of compensation. In other words, he was chancing it. He was chancing his hand. He was a bit of a chancer. If you describe someone as a bit of a chancer, you mean that they try to take advantage of any situation that they think will benefit them. And they do this by chancing it, which may mean by lying, by pretending to have qualities or qualifications that they don't have, all because they want to benefit personally from an opportunity that they feel has presented themselves. Being a chancer is an accusation that's often been levelled against our Prime Minister, Boris Johnson. Basically, a slightly incompetent, very posh boy who used to be a journalist, kept getting sacked from different newspapers for lying, decided to become a politician where he found that he could lie for a career and somehow ended up chancing his way into number 10 Downing Street. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, share it with your friends, and in the comments section below, we'd love to hear stories about chancers you've met or times when you encountered people who were obviously chancing it.